If you're looking for inspiration on what type of business you decide to start, consider one of these boring but amazing million-dollar business ideas. With a little elbow grease and some business savvy, you just may be able to turn your business into a $1 million success. Let's get to it. Number 3. Window washing. Whether you want to improve your home's curb appeal or make the most of the view at your home, the windows need to be clean. If you don't do windows, as the old joke goes, you can hire someone who does. Window cleaning cost typically ranges from $149 to $296, with the national average at about $213. As with other house cleaning duties, size is the predominant factor in pricing. The price also depends on the accessibility of the windows, the number of panes, and how dirty they are. Some cleaners charge per window, others by square footage, and some by the hour. Either way, hiring a professional to do this job can save time and money, especially after adding in the costs for supplies if you do it yourself. Number 2. Laundry. There are 7 reasons why a laundry business is one of the best small businesses to own. First, they provide a good return on investment. Second, there is a relatively low barrier to entry. Third, it is a vital community resource. Fourth, a simple cash business. Fifth, little to no inventory. Sixth, a low staffing requirements. And last, the business model offers flexibility so it can be done on the side while you work another job and scale. Laundry care providers do laundry at home for people in their area and are earning over $15 an hour for the work. Even beginner providers and people in new regions are making on average $150 a week. And if we know the power of a $200 a month side hustle, what could $600 do for your budget and goals? Number 1. Vending machines. Vending machines are by no means a novel business idea, they're basically everywhere, after all. But for those of you looking to start your own business, there is a lot to like about the vending industry. Consider that there are millions of machines in the US alone, and the vending machine industry generates over $23 billion in annual revenue. That's enough reason to explore how to start a vending machine business of your own. The majority of the costs to start a vending machine business comes from the vending machines and the stock items. With as little as a $2,000 investment, you can generally get a basic vending machine business up and running. Many vending machine operators recommend buying used or refurbished machines, which you can find between $1,200 and $3,000. A new vending machine will cost anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000, depending on its size and features. Most viewers like yourself do subscribe to the channel for future videos.